Hello and welcome. I'm going to record my attempt at the DACH Excel Open 2025, unless my kids wake up and want breakfast, in which case I'm going to have to stop. Alright, I'm going to start my timer, start the quiz, download the file, DEO categories. I'm not quite sure what that means, but okay. Copy it, bring it over to my folder, open it up. See what we got. City, country, river. Welcome to the very first about the case. Classic writing, knowledge, and quiz game. The goal is to find words for specific categories that begin with the given starting letter. Okay, that sounds up my street. In general, there are many possible categories. In this case, focus on 3: city, country, and river. Valid answers for each category are listed in the worksheet. Valid words. Any words not listed there exactly as written is not a valid answer. Some words appear multiple times within the category. This can be ignored. Okay. Well, I'm going to go ahead and name this city, and name this country, and name this river. And yeah, never mind. Let's just follow the instructions. For a word to be valid, it must begin with the required starting letter. What is the starting letter of these valid words? Okay. Oops. Okay. In each category, different words are valid. From which category does this word come? Okay. So we're gonna actually import lambdas first thing. Then we're gonna decall. Oops. This by 3, and then we're going to flatten this not equal to blank, and this header. Okay, and then let's call this all and cat. And now we can look up this in all, returning from cat. Except I kind of also want to say was unique filter cat where all equals this just to be safe. And sure enough, there's only one. Good. Okay. For a word to be valid, it must match both the category and the correct starting letter. Check these words to see if they meet the condition. If the word is correct, that's with valid. Okay. Okay, so first I'm going to say switch this country, country, river, river, city, city, and then I'm going to say is number X match this against that. Oops. Times left of this equals this. Sorry, if that. Invalid, otherwise not valid. Happy days. Okay, how many points? So it's a single player game with required starting letter. How many points does this person earn for these words? Instead of only one person playing, which means every correct answer is 20 points. Where gives valid answer is this and this. Oh, got it. Fine. So text split this by comma. So then it's, I guess we can just take this. I guess let's make this a lambda, I suppose. Say okay. Wait, don't want these 2 steps. These can go away. Exclude, exclude, exclude. Okay. I'll call this valid. I'm probably also going to change it slightly because I don't really want it to be the if and the text at the end. I just want it to be the number. Just the comma. Okay. Yes. Okay, so now I'm going to say what? I guess I want to map. Yeah, it's fine. Map this. Lambda. Word. No, sorry. I'm going to map this and what are these? City, country, river in that order. City, country, river, lambda AB, and then I'm going to say valid of A and B and this starting letter. And then I want sum of this times 20. No. Oh dear. So you don't think Kenya is good, huh? That's problematic. Valid word category country and okay. Oh dear. Well, that's not the right answer, is it? What? Left word equals letter. What? I'm so confused right now. Oh, wait. Sorry. Is it on a comma space situation? Is that what's going on here? Okay. Stupid. Okay. I would like to see scores all the way from. No, I'm seeing all the way from 0 to 20. Okay, that's not. Oh, yeah, because I have to copy this down. I'd like to see everything from 0 to 60, and I do. Okay, good. Silly, silly, silly. Lost time there. Never mind. Okay, level 5. These two players are playing one round of city, country, river against each other. Both players get the same valid word in a category. They each get 5. Different words, they each get 10. One player gets a valid word in a category. The player gets 20. If the player gets no valid word, they get 0. Okay? So first things first. Let me just grab that constant wherever I put that. That's going to be useful to have. I'm going to call that cat word. Okay, so then say let P1 score be map text split of this by comma space and cat word lambda AB valid of A, B, and this. And likewise, let P2 score be map blah, 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 on that column. And then we're going to say if shoot, sorry. Should have really done the words first. So P1 word is this, and P2 word is this, and that's going to be this. Okay, so then we're going to say if P1s, then if P2s, then if P1 word equals P2 word. So if they both score and it's the same word, then they get 5. If player 1 scores and player 2 doesn't, 10. And wait, what? Sorry. So this is they both score, same word 5, different word 10. If 1 scores and 2 doesn't, 1 gets 20. And if 1 doesn't score, they get 0. Close that, close that. Okay. This is P1 points. And again, same thing for P2 points. So P2, P1, P1, P2 is the same. Okay. And then what's the question? How many points does the player with them? Okay, so max of sum of P1P and P2P. And the answer is 30. No, it's supposed to be 15. Oh, bother. All right, so show me P1P. 5010. Okay, and P2P 5010. Okay, what? Oh, two separate sums, please. There we go. Okay, level 6. The game is the same, but now there are 4 players. The scoring rules remain the same. If 2 or more players give the same valid word, each of those players gets 5 points. 20 points are only awarded if exactly one. Okay, so first things first, we gotta make this a little more sensible. So let's do, I call this what are we doing? Lambda CL text split CL on comma space. Good. So let words be that. Then let val be bycall words lambda CL valid of words to call cat word and the letter oops, sorry, wrong one. Show me val. Oh god, well, that's looking terrible. What? That's not good at all. Show me words. Why is it stretching out? Okay. Valid of this to call cat word and this. Okay. Sorry, what's that? That does not seem to be working. Why the bloody hell not? I guess. Yeah, so that should be valid. Wasting time on silly stuff now. Okay, so just cut that out for a minute. That's true. Okay. And then cut this out for a minute. False. What? Okay. Cut this out and this out. Okay. I'm so confused. Maybe that's it. Maybe that's it. Maybe that's it. What if I did? Would you like that better? Not sure you would, but you might. Oh crap. Oh wait, hang on. I know what it is. I know what it is. I can't do it with one formula. I did it with a map before. You clown. Okay. Sorry. Map CL lambda word valid of. Oh, hang on. Wait. Okay. First things first. CL. Give me val. That doesn't work. But then instead of valid of CL, we're going to say map CL lambda of word valid of word close close. No, you're still what? Really? That's oh sorry. Map of that and CT. Oh god, it's getting worse. Okay, give me back words. Equals map of this and to call of cat word lambda a b valid of a b and the letter z. That is working. So what am I doing wrong here then? Okay. Just take this for a second. Value. What is that? Incorrect number of parameters. What? What? Oh. Stupid. What a mess I made of this. Okay. So now we can have val at last. Christ. Sorry. So now what am I trying to do? Okay. So now on points, and that's going to be if by a row. Sorry. Right can be by row val sum and show me right. So 3 goes with that right, 4 goes with that right, fine. So then we're going to say if right equals 1, then 20 times val. Otherwise, how many times the word occurs in the row. So otherwise, by call words val. No, can't do that. Matches. It's going to be, I guess, by call words lambda word and a row x match row against row equals x match row against row minus 1. How about that? And then let's just for a second, give me back my keyboard. There we go. Let's just for a second call that, let's get rid of that. And let's output h stack words with matches. No, 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 that's not right. Okay. And minus 1. Yeah, so they're not bloody equal, so what's the problem? So what the fuck? Ugh, it's really annoying, isn't it? Okay. Oh, because I did it by call, you flipping idiot. By row. That's nothing. By row. There we go. Okay, so now we're going to say if right equals 1, then 20 times val, otherwise val times if matches, then, so if it matches, so that doesn't actually matches, that's unique, but fine. 10, otherwise 5. Okay. think that's right. Just hear me out. Going back to words, it's taking me forever. So you get points, and you get points, but it's the same. You get something different. Good. I think that's right. Oh, 7 years later, what's the question? How many points does the player with the most points have? Okay, so it's going to be max of by call sum of that. Bad performance there. Okay, because the game was so much fun, the 4 friends decided to play again. In total, the 4 players played 4 rounds, and the points from each round are added together. The individual answers are separated by commas. The rounds are separated by semicolon. Each player provides an answer for each category in every round, or this, if they don't answer, how many points does the player with the most points score after all 4 rounds? Okay. I don't think there's any, so that's a bad start. Okay, so yeah, so I think what I want is I want text split this on a semicolon. I want if sequence 3, then that. Then I want to call that by so yes, good. And then I want to text split this by both a comma space and a semicolon space. And then I think I should be able to, no, they're not, so what? That's 9. There should be more. What? Oh, sorry, semicolon does not have a space. Okay, now we got 12, good. So, I need to grab this and put that here. And now what are we doing? So let's just put this over here for a second and output result and output words, and that is giving me yes 12. Good. So then letters will be that. Grab it here. Okay, and then by call words, lambda call, map call that, and let's. Then LT and LT. And then this is a by row operation, this is a by row operation, those don't change, this all doesn't change. Then I think I just want drop the max for a second. Let's do by call sum and give me res. NA, oh crap, where's it going wrong? Okay, so val, oh, what? That's not good. Oh, sorry, yeah, so I need to do something smarter about this. So cat word is that, then I want if sequence 4 cat word, and then I wanted to call that. Yes, good. So replace this with that. And now we have something that looks much more sensible. Let's go back to result. Okay, and the answer is 85. And player 1, 20, 30, 10, 25. 20, 30, 10, 25. Fine. So go back to calling that max. All right. Okay, bonuses. Many valid words. words are there across all categories? If a word appears more than once, counted each time. Okay, so that should just be rows of all. There is one letter that does not have a single valid word. Which letter is it? Okay, so I want to say filter, let case, where countifs all let ucase and star equals 0. Not surprising. Which letter category combination has the most possible correct answers? Answer the number. Okay, so I want to say equals most of left this and this. No sawed off. Closing bracket. Okay, so it's our river 30. Answer with the number of times this combination appears, 33. Yes. Which word is a valid answer as a city, a country, and a river? So I want to say at most of all. I think that would work. Let's quickly check. Yes, good. Okay, if a game is played over 4 rounds with the letters B, W, I, and X, what is the maximum number of points possible? Oh boy. Alright. So equals cat ord and letters of B, W, I, X. And then I want to say countifs. This? Wait a second, what? No. Okay, sorry, I did it the wrong way around, but I'll fix that in a second. So take that and put it over there. Really? Okay. So the most points you can get if there's only one that exists is 1. But really? There's only one city starting with B? That doesn't... I guess this is not all the cities. It's a lot of cities. You're doing it wrong, aren't you? Yeah, there's lots of cities starting with B, so what are you doing here? Yeah, it's the other way around, isn't it? Yes. No. What are you... Sorry, let's just do sum minus minus this equals this, because I've apparently forgotten how to do a countif. What? No. Oh, sorry, because this is the unique, you flipping idiot. Okay. This and this. Okay. So now I will remind myself how to do a countif. Wait, I'm missing something there, but anyway, I'll fix that in a second. Got a minute left to get this finished. Left of that and that. Okay, there we go. So now, so in the B, so basically if this is, if, yeah, so I just want equals min of this and 4 times 20. I think that's the best you can score. So I think the answer is 680. I should probably put my answers in too, that wouldn't hurt. Okay, so just quickly check, is that right? So there's lots of options there, so they can all get separate ones. 88, 80, 80, there are none there. 80, 80, 80, 80. Here, the best you can score is 40. 2 different people guess the same thing. Yes. Okay, fine. So then we're going to shut that down. We're going to go grab the file, if it'll ever shut down and save what's going on. Okay, there we go. And load it all the way down here and submit. That's all I got for today. Thanks for watching. See you next time.